Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow car. Let's learn together how to draw a car. At first I'm going to draw circles for its wheels. Then a line here and another wheel here. Now let's draw the body of the car. Its windows. Now I draw its lamps. The exhaust. And finally, the doors. Now I draw the ground. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of our car, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I'll start with red on its bottom. Then orange for the lights. And some yellow. Then light green. I color the back dark green. And also the front. I use light blue for the windows. Then dark blue for the exhaust. I color the middle of the wheels light purple. And the doors dark purple. I use fuchsia for the tires. Finally, I color the road under the car black. And I add some mint into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.